That's a moment for nature. Everything is natural, everything is beauty. Even ducks like that place. So let's go on speaking about the problem of gaining weight, of not comfortable weight for a person. And of course, you don't stop eating fast food immediately. Don't wait such kind of fast result. And don't think of it. Even you will change your habits without any attempt, as I did. Just walk before, a little bit walk before you're entering the restaurant, and you will not spend a lot of energy, but you play a game like if you want to eat. It's like hunting game. If you want to eat this food, you need to earn it. You need to deserve it, to get it, like a hunter, because we are all hunters, even a woman and a man, and use this genetical instinct start to be hunter. And in order to hunt this food, you need to walk a little bit. Of course, don't run. If you have extra weight or belly hanging down, you need bandage for your belly. Of course, don't run. Just walk a little bit before that. And step by step, you will walk more and more. So more time before food, and you will stay in your restaurant or you will get your food like a present. So this first step, it takes long time, but you will get the perfect result. Step by step, you will lose more energy and get the same calories. And you will feel the difference in attitude to this food, because you need to earn it, not just easy taken out from the window. And for your psychic, is no problem. You don't eliminate, you don't suffer, because you will not get your lovely food. You will get it, but you need to move a little bit. Start from small steps, and step by step, you will get the result without any pressure on your psychic, because first of all, it's psychology, then physiology. And start to show your movings on YouTube. Of course, I didn't do that. Even I opened YouTube channel longer than now, a lot time ago. But I get a result. I got result, and I want to share with you. Everywhere is beautiful surrounds. My long walking, I enjoy it. Very beautiful. This again bridge and fountains. I will go there and show you. And it's like one green place between one living area and another. Ducky place everywhere. It's full of ducks. Ducky time. And these portal walls, trees, pools, this falling down waters, very nice. I think this architectural idea was perfect. Coming down water, and of course they are like doves. They want something from me, but I don't have, guys. I'm just for relaxation here. It's nice, very nice. I'm going on. Yes, in the place, it's the center of the whole decoration idea. And I'm near my food restaurant pit stop, and I'm going to show you there what I will order and what I will eat there. Restaurants, so I can show you what I prefer. Again, to cruise. I didn't want to stay, but for showing you what I order. I order a coffee, and that's all. That's my order. Order a coffee, that's sugar. It's no problem for me. I will go back home by my food, so it's no problem. I'm already out of the fast food restaurant, and I showed you that I bought only coffee. There is no muffins in this restaurant, 2 queues, and of course there was a wish to leave it immediately, but I want to share with you my experience how to lessen, first of all, to eat fast food, and then to avoid it at all. And I don't have any emotion, positive emotion to this place, to this food. Of course I can choose something else. I didn't want to choose something else because I could order salad, but I don't like to eat salad in crowded, full of kids, so nosy place, so I need more comfortable. I returned to my previous habits to sit and to eat in comfortable places, not to visit any fast food restaurants. So I came in, stayed in 2 queues in order to get some 250 milliliters of coffee, cappuccino, special because it's late. It's about 6 o'clock p.m. Of course, it's getting dark, but I spent only 30 minutes. In order I stayed more. Then I was drinking coffee, so it's not a good idea. It's not a restaurant. It must be. So I want to say that you need to start to move in order to change your habits, and not only change, to add more active habits to your life. And of course, start to be hunter. Don't be witness of this chain of fast food restaurants. Start to be hunter, because you need to move before you get your prize. Prize is your fast food, and you cannot refuse immediately. Don't do it. It's wrong. It's not. It will not work. You will return to it after stopping. If you stop by using diet or by refusing, you will return to it, because that's your prize, that's your lovely habit, and it is in your mind, so you cannot block it. You can just add first step. First step is start to move before getting such kind of food restaurants. So, or before eating fast food. Start, move. Okay, for today is all. I wish you to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Bye.